This is rare combination. It's very beautiful and pretty saree. This is pallu with purple combination, and this is kaddi border. In this pallu you can see with temple design with jari, and this is upper border. And this is blouse with purple and lines combination checks with kaddi border. And this pallu blouse you can see with checks with big kaddi border. This is 12 inches border, and this is complete saree. This is white with purple combination. In this saree you can see three types of shades with temple design. Between this jari you can see with temple design. One is with yellow and one is with white with round circles. In the circles you can see parrots, and one more circle you can see elephants with completely jari, and upper you can see with kaddi border. This is very careful. It's very maintenance saree. The small checks you can see closer to this, and this is a complete saree with white and purple combination. It's very pretty saree. This saree cost is also 15,500. There are color options in the same saree with more expensive sarees. And this is one more saree with white and blue combination. You can see this border. There are two types of border in this. One is with waves design and one is with diamond design. Between these two types you can see with waves, and this is checks with buta, small buta with white and green combination with checks. It's royal blue combination with white, and this is blouse. In blouse also you can see two types of border. One is with waves and one is with diamond design. In between you can see with waves. This is completely checks with blouse. And this is a complete saree with blue butas with checks. This is completely checks with jari. This is white with blue combination with jari buta. In between these boxes you can see with jari and plain lines. You can see closer to this. In between this there is one jari line and one is with thread with blue butas. This saree cost is 18,500. Please watch regular to our channel. And this is rare combination with navy blue and pista color. This is 14 inches jari border with three shades, three lines, upper and lower. With between this it's with jari checks. In between the checks you can see tree design with white and pink combination. and upper you can see with small kaddi border. and this is blouse with checks, and blouse also you can see with kaddi border, and this is complete saree. It's pista color with royal blue combination, and between this saree you can see with zari checks with two lines. Between these boxes you can see it's a trade design with pink combination and white combination. So please watch our complete videos, subscribe to our channel. So we are having a website on the name of Vikas Handlooms. Our website is www.vikashandlooms, and our contact number is 99591 95299. Subscribe to our channel. There will be a discount on facility. Thank you very much for watching our channel. For regular updates you can watch tomorrow. Once again you see the saree complete view. It's very special design.